I'm with Roel Geolina, who is also here in Metro Manila. He is a member of the Launchpad group and batch number 2. And it's so exciting because he's already talking to clients. Kahit na bagong-bago pa lang siya, at saka wala siyang background. Roel, tell us your background before you ever stumbled upon Launchpad.
First off, I graduated in college 2010. Then after 3 months, I landed a job, which is clerk in a supermarket na hindi related sa work ko. Then, of course, I'm looking for a high-paying role, which led me to be a call center agent for sales, as a sales representative. I stayed there for 1 year. Then, after that, I experienced getting a high-paying role comparing to other jobs like a clerk. Nasa BPO na ako for 15 years. So, on and off ko na lahat ng role. Sales,
Wow.
customer service,
Wow.
technical support, shore support. So, I'm talking about different companies. So,
Wow. Amazing.
ayun.
That's a nice background. Even from a business standpoint, so nice background. So tell us yung paano ka napadpad Launchpad, which is making websites naman.
Nag-join ako sa Launchpad kasi I realized having voice role inside my home, now with 2 kids,
Mm.
they're kind of disruptive and they want to request every time, diba? So,
Okay.
Daddy, I want to play. Daddy, I want to sleep.
Uh,
So, I realized na I need a non-voice role. So, familiar ako doon. So,
mhm.
yun yung reason na nakita ko yung Launchpad. And, yeah, yun yung main reason because of my kids.
What is it in the Launchpad you said na ito gusto ko to? What exactly pala? Sorry, di ko alam eh. Hey.
Since I read about sales funnel, hindi naman kailangan ng face-to-face or talking to clients every time. So it's more of how can I help a business owner to present their product or service on a website.
So how did you encounter this? Like were you naka-Facebook ad ka ba? Did you watch a video, a YouTube or
Well, I
how?
think this boils down to my love reading articles, including
Okay.
emails.
Okay.
So as I mentioned before,
Mm.
I've been jumping to different jobs in an industry which is a BPO. Iba ko ng job street na job post. Dinadala niya ako doon. Then I'm enticed doon sa role and what's the benefits
Mm.
which I needed that time. So I need money, I need security. So I realized tong Launchpad description, ganun pala.
Sorry, I need to get
It's
to the
like
bottom.
describing the service like for a job post. You have to post the job with a description and
Mm.
what's in it for the applicant and what's the benefits, 'di ba? So of course, ako na applicant, gusto ko 'yun kasi yun yung so same din sa mga business owners, for example, na kung ano yung kailangan nila in order for them to sell their product or service.
Okay. Okay. This appeal to you ulitin ko because you know that this is not you talking on the phone at home all the time.
Mm,
Tama, tama. It gives you time to spend sa demands ng iyong mga anak. Kasi the home demand, no, is so strong. You have 2 kids. And you
mm.
can, I'm gonna guess you can hardly work. Tama, tama ho.
Pero yung 2 years na working from home, challenging siya. And
Mhm,
may mga times I have to call out their behavior, of course,
mhm.
ask them to shut up because I'm working. Yeah, to ask
Aray,
them
ouch,
kaya nga
ouch.
after nun, parang I realize na
Ouch
ganun. But
naman po,
although I'm talking to
daddy.
my wife to
Oo,
take over,
oo.
to take care of them, but talaga
Mm,
hindi siya maiwasan.
mm.
Isang 5-year-old is going 3 years old na. So nakita ko na yung 3 years old ko going to that position. So I hope that
Mhm.
Launchpad could save me no sa ganong environment.
Sakit, sakit. Growing up, I used that word sa mga, and it was not discouraged to say those words sa mga kapatid. I feel disrespectful pala yun. Okay, punta na tayo sa mundo ng Launchpad. So you started it. So you started early dun sa Launchpad, no? Naunahan mo yung, so tell us what happened then. Was it easy to decide to go into the Launchpad?
Yes, madaling mag-decide
Mm.
and it's really different from what I used to do, talking to customers. Ang mahirap sa part yung well, personally, syempre the budget. Pero hindi siya talaga I'm speaking about I just got it for only 2,000 to
Mm.
2,000 yun. Sabi ko madali kasi I've been reading a copy or a promotion like I want to give an example. If you know Ali Abdal sa YouTube,
Yeah, of course.
I saw Launchpad na at that time then I'm still thinking about it. I think I'm enrolled na eh. So June ako nag-enroll sa Launchpad. I started the what do you call this, the pre-launch,
Mm-mm.
which is
Mm-mm.
amazing. Ayusin yung template, tanggalin, ipasok yung ganitong template. Then, I received email from Ali, actually a video first sa YouTube,
Mm.
na meron siyang upcoming course. So this
Mm.
course aim to, aim the enrollees to earn $1,000 for after 6 weeks joining the course or else they will refund it.
Mm.
The catch is you just have to copy and execute kung ano yung ginagawa ni Ali. And So, nag-send ako ng video after what's in it for me kasi that's for scholarship. Parang ang enrollment nun is around $600 for 6 weeks.
Hindi mura.
Okay, scholar. Then
Oo.
nagulat ako, I got an
Mm,
email after
mm.
3 days. They approved my scholarship. Yay! So,
Wow.
sobrang saya
Okay.
ko. When they approved my scholarship, when I checked the link ng 600, ang babayaran ko na lang is around $210. When I
10 pa
computed it,
rin.
nasa around 16.
Mm.
So, $16, 16 pesos. 16,000 pesos rather.
16,000 pesos
Oo.
lang.
So,
Mm.
yun na. Sabi ko, loan 16,000 versus 2,000.
Wow. Thank you for that story. That's a very enlightening, no, na proseso. That's the process people go through. Grabe, international, no?
When I check the content, hindi siya pang sa
Oh,
6 weeks. It's a 6 weeks, parang talagang, what do you call this? Parang intensive eh.
okay,
You have
okay, okay.
to deliver the 1,000. They have to deliver the 1,000. So, $1,000 is a big money. And
Mm.
it, you have to act talaga. So, I'm wondering, if I have 16,000, pero meron ba akong time? Plus, may work pa ako, and possibly.
Every other weekday na Zoom.
Yes, and when he says that do what like Ali is doing to get that
Mm.
$1,000 after 6 weeks, di ba? When I realized na, hindi ko pa, which is the
Okay.
Launchpad, yun, taught me, kasi I'm just waiting for my session on September 4, 5, 6. Then, I'm just free. Ready na nga ako nun, yung
Mm.
pre-launch, nagawa ko na.
Tell us about the pre-launch. Tell them. Tell them ano yung
Yes,
proseso. Bakit may pre-launch para sa'yo? Yung para sa'yo.
this pre-launch, para sa akin,
Mm.
yung is really good at it. Nakikita your instruction on that pre-launch. Sabi ko, dali lang pala na ito.
Mm.
Until yung mga kids ko pag nakakanta with them doing that pre-launch. And
Mm.
then that's Canva. And then System.io also yung template. Never ko din
Okay, very good. So tell us now, nasa pre-launch ka na, then tell us about the actual 3 nights. This is Launchpad.
Yes,
Na
the
experience mo.
first night, of
Mm.
course, we started a prayer. And which is talagang mafe-feel mo yung vibe na hindi siya hype, di ba? Hindi siya quick scheme or quick get rich scheme, hindi siya ganun. With the prayer and then with the explanation,
Mm.
what's in it for us Catholic, to be specific, being, I would say, a salesperson or marketer. So yung marketer mindset, along na siya na natutunan ko, pero yung root niya, spirituality, may relate pala siya. Like for example, kay Saint Anthony Padua, yung gusto niyang, so he rather turn to fish, di ba? Creatures
Mm.
in the oceans, then they listen to them. Then
Mm.
that's where people started nagwonder, no, why other creatures listen to this man, which is now a saint.
Mm.
So yun, na ang ganda sa Catholic, servant din ako until now. Pwede pala yun, na hindi market rin ako sa internet before, for other industries, personally. But hindi ko siya natutunan. It's more of just go grind, just go show them, show off, diba? Even other
Mm.
people's tangible things,
Mm.
show it off
Mm.
online. Then that's where I realize na may iba palang approach when it comes to internet marketing.
Thank you so much for saying that. Now, lampas na tayo sa 3 nights na yon. Ay, nasa first part ka lang pala. Dasal pa lang. 3 nights.
Yun, so
Dasal.
then after
Oh.
that, it shows na yung mga principle ng marketing, Saints frameworks, although
Mm.
hindi ko siya sa ulo, but it's about Saints framework at that time. Then it shows na yung ginawa, which is yung, of course, kung paano na, which is nasa ano na rin, nasa pre-launch na. And then yung part na ng long sales page or website, yung hero image, what's the
Mm.
important of this, then yung other part, yung part na yun, kasi nga it's a very long sales page kung saan maiintindihan reason why I have to copy many pictures or edit many pictures and then post it on my own website or from my clients products or service, ipakita doon sa website.
Galing. So, do you have any comments before we leave the 3 nights? Like, how did you find the 3 nights? Nung, how do you, what do you tell yourself at the end of those 3 nights? Ganyan.
After that 3 nights, of course, I was able to really act on the work, like may example or may assignment na we have to get 3 clients. So I talk to sa kapitbahay ko, then I realize na siya yung tinutukoy doon, di mo ba akong maging free client ko for website. So nagawa ko naman siya mapayag. Okay, so he approved it. And then and yung wife ko yung second, tas yung third yung kasa community before. Then after 3 nights, I was able to create a mock-up website. So, di ba na, and then, yun yung after 3 nights din, na-realize ko na regardless of the situation, kasi during that time, yung dalawa kong anak,
Wow.
so that happened on the second night. Mabigat na siya eh.
Mm.
Going 3 years old na. So habang nag-a-attend ako, then I realized after 3 nights, nung mga symptoms, medyo, I will ask my wife to take over sa kids. kailangan for after that. Gusto
Mm.
natin yan, yung items, di ba?
Mm.
Parang in order. But then I realized, after 3 nights, na ganun pala. So, then, moving forward, at up to this point, even I'm not getting those stuff, it's totally fine. Kasi yung learning and the future, yung magiging ako in the next weeks, months, I only paid for 3 weeks access. But
Mm.
this time, I think it's still a bonus for me na may access pa rin ako.
Oo.
So, sir, sana huwag niyo muna tanggalin. Not until I landed to my next client. But that's
Mm.
just a joke. But anyways, kapit ko na dun sa ideal type of work na gusto. And then, I'm loving it.
Nice. I'm loving it. Okay, very good. Punta na tayo ngayon. Now, tapos na yung launchpad mo. So you're now dealing with actual human clients, no? So can you tell us kung may difficulties kang na-encounter or challenges? Yun.
Okay. Siguro yung difficulties na na-encounter ko for my first client, since yun lang ang tanong mentor, which is Sir Jomar, you just ask the client kung gusto nila. Mostly, sa most of the class, were like 17 people. First batch, na nagtanong lang naman siya, nag face to face. So, I asked the client online. You just have
Mm.
to ask the question na sasabihin ni Sir Jom. Just wait for the reply. Di ba? Kung di ka pamilyar sa reply, you don't have to be... So, ganun siya. Other challenges, answerable by you, by me, or future participant. You just have to wait for the right response. Just do what Sir Jomar will ask you to do. Then you will never go wrong.
No, thank you. So anong payo mo doon sa is it for me or not? Ganyan-ganyan.
I think this is for everyone. Like I mentioned, I watched the first batch video. I had an access. Those first batch, lahat sila professional, 30 years old and above. Di ba? May 60-ish pa or 50-ish, I
Mm.
would say. Same with our batch, mga professional, tapos mga elderly na din. And they really willing, no, to turn their current situation or add up additional earnings or additional value dun sa client nila. So, I learned so much. Kung nag-iisip ka, just do it. Grab the course, which I saw now. May kasamang book in just
A few days lang.
few days na lang. Parang nagulat talaga ako. It's totally fine because it's okay dahil ako naman nandito na ako sa sitwasyon na to. I got the book, I got tools, the right mindset. So, yeah, I hope you just join kasi hindi siya saturated. Yung business owners, ang daming industry na naghahanap ng ganito. And when you look at online, what sales funnels is about, what type of work na pwedeng gawin. So, really recommended.
Wow, thanks. Thanks. For we will ano, we will end with where however you started, which is your goal nung nagsimula. So, sa tingin mo, tell us about yung goals mo in life and the step that you made going to Launchpad. Is it gonna fulfill it? Or is it a stepping stone to something else? Or whatever. Ganun.
Yes. So, Launchpad helped me to act on what I really wanted to do 1 year ago when I first got booked the second incomes. Kasi ang 2023 November, birthday ng wife ko, nag-enroll siya kaya entrepreneurship course, which is
Okay?
an access for only 800. So, hindi ko siya pinopromote, kinukwento ko lang. Pero anyways, kung gusto nyo, try nyo. 1 year access siya. Then doon, physical product, what's in it for you, if you do it. Then, digital products, what's in it for you. Doon ko, affiliate marketing, yun masasabi ko. Pero my stage is really on the digital products or working online, since I'm working online na din. Nakita ko yung flexibility. And then, yes, I saw yung email ni Sir Jomar, net marketing. Sige nga, may libreng 80 copies. Sabi ko, tignan ko nga.
80 pages.
80 pages rather.
uh, uh,
80 pages. So, nung nabasa ko, uy, I'm one of the first person who got the copy. Di ba? I think sa US niya pa pinaano.
oh,
Kaya
wow.
we need waiting. I got the ebook copy na. So, bago dumating yung hard, but after nung matapos ko siya, oh, what now? Although Sir Jomar also encouraging people, kung gusto mong, you have to get the mentor. Also, he has a course, Profit Profitable Mentoring, which is I also saw the content talaga. I'll jump into that. So, yun, when I got the copy, sobrang saya ko, may will unfold your intentions, no? Then, nabasa ko na yung book, mas during that season, nag-ano, so sabi ko, yung ano lang to, parang $1 lang to for 1 month, 2 months. Binasa
mm,
ko lahat ng about sa affiliate marketing.
mm,
Download
mm,
ako sa
mm,
sales funnel.
mm.
Sales funnel na to, how to create sales funnel in system.io. Nakita ko na siya for some reason, ano kasi ako yung more ako sa video. Not until I joined the Launchpad. Kasi sa Launchpad, to 24, na-lead niya naman ako doon because of the affiliate marketing
Mm,
company na hindi
mm.
mo naman kailangan, you have to do an email marketing, you have to choose a niche. Talaga ba? So, okay, okay. So, paano? Decide. Tapos, nag-focus na lang ako sa book every Wednesday, once a week.
Talaga.
Minsan,
Mm,
so, per month.
mm,
So, okay lang naman yun. So, iba-iba yung perspective ng mga tao eh. But for
mm.
me, it's just for me to really understand. That na, okay, so, ganun. Then after that, meron akong familiarity sa sales funnel. Yun na nga, coming January 2025, nag-announce si Sir Jomar na, wow, sabi ko. Then I joined month after month after month. I think I only miss 2 months, hindi consecutive. Pero doon ko nakita, which is now in personality development or relationship, sharing lang. Because of that only question, what problem do I have na gusto kong masolusyonan? I think that was March. And then that's the time that I started to get a domain. But hindi pa ako nakagawa ng sales funnel, ng email marketing. May domain is I can watch on YouTube, pero yun nga, meron ako mga ano. So, this year, ngayon, eto na, just go to the group ng niche mo. Ano ba? Plus, the right tool, this Launchpad will help you to have your email catcher, your website, in order for you to communicate with them. And how can you serve them? How can you help them? I think that mentoring helped me to not look on the money right away. Because money will follow when you serve first.
Good. Very good. Thank you. Galing ng ending. Thank you so much for telling us that part of your life.
Since I know you naman na, nasa mentoring naman ako nung second incomes mo. So, then, nasa Launchpad na ako. Sobrang dali lang. You just have to ask question, send ka ng email kay Sir Jomar or reach out mo siya sa LinkedIn. Sasagot siya sa'yo. We're doing the domain pa nga, 12 midnight, and then you're able to connect, di ba, after 2 days. Then now, it's working.
Everybody's problem yan sa system eh. Connect ng domain at saka private email, which is part of the Launchpad. I'll connect your domain and your private email because I know it's hard to do, even if you have YouTube.
Kasi ako technical support.
Thank you so much, Roel, for sharing us your experience in Launchpad.
Yes, I'm inviting everyone to join the Launchpad. Makakatulong sa isang business owner mo or for yourself kung ano yung gusto internet marketing. The value from that course alone, 50,000, 'di ba? Yung price ng sales, which is I understand paano magagawa talaga. I'm not after the money yet. I just want to serve first the client. If you're the person who wants to shift the career mo or add another income stream, this is the right opportunity for you. Very low price compared to other courses. Plus the book na makukuha mo, which is nabasa ko steps. You can do it.
Thank you so much, Roel. Thank you. God bless everyone for listening to us. Thank you, Roel, for telling your story. Maraming hopefully, mamit natin sila. Thank you sa kwento mo nagbago. You guys, for anybody listening, we mean that more than one way because you might think this is just a marketing or a business course. It is. The whole framework is not just funnels. It's something that most people in today's world are so afraid of, and that is relying on someone else far more powerful than you to become successful in life. We don't talk about money only because it's super shallow, right? Sabi nga nung billionaire na may sakit, if I can buy health, I would, but I can't. Kasi you cannot buy health and peace of mind. You just have to have it. And you have to be given the grace to have that, right? So
Yes.
we build on that. We build on that. We build on skills. We build on mindset. So thank you so much for listening. Make sure you take a look carefully at the website of Launchpad. You'll see a lot of bonuses, the sales mindset, the marketing mindset, bonuses. These are just mindset bonuses which di pa na-mention ni Roel. And the anti-quit audio, which Roel will tell you something about right now.
Yes, of course. So this anti-quit audio, I was able to talk to my wife regarding her fears, posting online, plus the challenge na kinakaharap niya, online seller, may tumal days, so she has to expose her product, but she's afraid to expose herself. So there's a specific content dun sa anti-quit audio, which is an MP3 file na install ko sa phone. That explains her fear, diba? So during the night, she was able to create her content and post it. So that helped her. And sa akin din, ako yung Facebook profile ko, I turned to professional profile, diba? So I don't fear kasi I want to help.
Very good. Meron ka bang comments dun sa dalawa pa? That's the marketing mindset and the sales mindset bonuses. In case napakinggan mo na.
Sa marketing, sorry, is it another set? Iba ba yung set, sir?
Yes, those are 3 bonuses. Anti-quit is anti-quit, but sobrang ikset. There's the marketing is longer and the sales is longer.
Kasi
Mga 10 minutes.
pagka-extract.
Okay.
Pero lahat yun, needless to say, but since we're on a podcast, I have to explain it. But that's why I'm telling everyone to listen to it and you ponder about it. You really want to change your situation. Kung gusto, yung spirituality side or faith side, it will deepen your understanding in sales and marketing. So, Sir Jomar, ending in a tone mentioning the Lord Jesus, di ba? So, it really helped me to have peace on what I'm doing. I believe on that na if you want peace, you need to have it eh. To have it, and hindi lang siya about money.
Thank you. Mic drop. Thank you. Everyone, go for it. By the way, congratulate po natin si Roel. He has recorded his second podcast interview. That one is not the result of the Launchpad. That's the result of buying this book, which is probably the most expensive book you will find today. But anyway, today is not hindi siya expensive because when you get into the Launchpad, I'll give you this one for free, including the ebook. This is around 1,900 if you buy it like a month ago. Okay? Now we're giving this book for free for those who get the Launchpad. And dun sa kaya may kasamang course kasi to. Every month end, no? So the next one is happening month end of November.
Before I start, gusto ko sabihin na, but then again, envy is something not good. Jomar
Totoo.
thought that.
Totoo.
So, I just say that, well, God bless, guys.
Hindi
So,
rin kasi ano yun eh, hindi na nila nakita yung mga na-experience mong mga Zoom calls. Ay,
totoo
wala na
naman.
sila nun eh. Wala na
Kaya nga
sila eh. If you come in late, you don't have all those months of Zoom calls. Right?
pero it will still be helpful, guys. Trust me. And yeah, with regards to the first podcast, because of second incomes, so Sir Jomar encouraged us to have a project after 9 months of mentoring. Kasi nga, he wants to see result from us. And of course, everybody doing their thing, different niche, different industry. But he want us to get a project out of it, which is the action taker, did it first, no, on that podcast. And then I have an assigned person to collaborate with. Like I will not mention names, but they're moms too. But we're not able to really finalize. But what I just did is I post on our group chat in Messenger. Then someone replied. Then I was shocked kasi Andrea Villanueva too. She replied na go daw siya. Then she asked me, anong itatanong mo? Then I send her the questions. This particular journey of me doing podcast, the Launchpad, there's an AI mastery course which I joined with well-known in the internet marketing. I will not mention name, but kasama ko sila doon. And me, as a learner, I was able to execute everything that I learned from that AI mastery to that
That's another bonus for the
podcast.
Launchpad. Yeah.
Yes, that's another launch bonus. So yun, I sent her an interview. She read it, and she said that nakinakaba. Then, we started to record midnight Philippine time, then morning sa kanila. Then, ako yung natuto. Wow. So, these are my questions that I want to know the questions from her. Related to Sir Jomar. Sir Jomar didn't ask this person about me, promote me, but what that's my own thinking. Ano kayang nakuha nito? Check out my profile, Roel Giolina. It's there. Then I'm about to open Spotify. So I hope you can also listen to that. Because you will learn a lot in faith, in marriage life, and family life. Then, doing the technicals, that's also the first time that I edit my own video using a tool that I learned from that AI Mastery. Yun lang talaga. Nagulat nga ako kasi in just 2 days, na-post ko na siya pag-edit na video. Nung college ako, sumali kami ng Eyewitness. Ako yung host. Pero hindi ako nag-edit. I edited my own. Then I sent it to Ma'am Andrea. And also, Sir Joe, bago mag-launchpad, by the way, bago mag-launchpad, na going person ako eh. Ko naka-work from home din. Now, she's a full-time wife. Then, yung lab. And then, sa mga kids, di ba, during my work time, di ba, parang easy life na lang, ganun eh. Then, the Launchpad taught me that there are so many things that I can do, that I can divert my attention to. Plus, the virtues, di ba? So now, I'm loving it, yung work from home. Kasi nag-Reddit din ako about freelancing, about virtual assistant, ang dami nilang reklamo. Na ako, work from home na ako for 3 years, for example, 5 years. But I'm doing so many things so that I can not be stressed on my client.
Ganon?
Oo, kasi I have that fear eh. I think he's also a guy career ko kasi I want a high paying. Kasi yung current client ko kasi ngayon, into that because I really need to work from home para nga But the challenge there, nung nag-resign ako, bigla 3 months ako walang work, pinagtrabahuan ko ngayon na working from home. Kasi yung previous work ko, nag-asa ko mag-work from home, yung client ko na Australian, building,
Yeah.
sinabi ko lang, that time, 2023,
May tao dapat
insane
sa...
client, pinapayagan nila.
Oo.
Naman, sabi ko. Although yun, years na yun dun sa client, okay naman sa akin, kaya magagawa. So yun, I have to accept their decision, but I have to take care of my kids, which my work is working. So yun yung story ko doon, current time ko, which is now, I'm still with them dito sa night shift ko. Pero masaya ako kasi I serve my kids, my family, my wife. Which is I'm talking about on my podcast with Ma'am Andrea about the things na we do inside the home, working from home life.
Yung new podcast nyo. That's a
Yes.
new one that's coming up. So, hintayin natin yan.
Yun. So, I will not speak about it now, but That's my life before Launchpad, and now after the Launchpad, ayun, life ko now.
Thank you so much.